अगला प्रोग्राम लिटिल ब्लॉसम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल से मिशल फातिमा स्पीच देंगी। और
Respected Honorable Chief Guest, Managing Director Sir, Principals, Teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. We are very glad to celebrate our 59th Foundation Day and a very happy new year to all of you. Today we have gathered here to celebrate our Foundation Day of our beloved Jamia Bahrul Ulum, a day that fills our heart with pride, gratitude and inspiration. This occasion gives us the opportunity to remember the journey of our institution, of our beloved Jamia Bahrul Ulum. Our school has achieved excellence in sports, academic, cultural activities and moral education. This occasion, I would also like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the valuable contribution of our present Managing Director Sir, Janab Abdul Wajid Ansari. The manager plays a vital role in smooth functioning and continuous development of school through wise decision making, effective administrations, and a strong sense of responsibilities. Our manager ensures that the vision of founder is carried forward in our modern era, maintaining discipline, supporting teachers, improving infrastructures. No institution can succeed without a committed teacher who are the backbone of our school. Our teachers not only impart academic but also nurture our character, guide our behavior and inspire us to dream big. Their hard work, patience and dedication shape the future of our nation through their students. Dear friends, on this auspicious day, let us pledge to respect our teacher, follow the guidance of our management, and uphold the value of our institution. With these words, I conclude my speech by wishing our school continuous growth, success, and glory in the year to come. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
बहुत बेहतरीन मिशल फातिमा की तरफ से ये स्पीच दी गई।